Ukraine war. Soaring charges shake Australia farmer self-assurance. Survey Sydney. Australian farmers' confidence fell within the contemporary zone, as rising production costs took a few shine off excessive commodity prices and prospects of a bumper harvest, a survey confirmed on Tuesday. Although the war in Ukraine is using up farms' promoting fees, in particular for grains, the one's rises are had to offset better input prices, according to Rabobank, which carried out the survey. The Take a Look at found that about 50% of Australian farmers believed the battle in Ukraine might harm farm corporations. Only 28% expected commercial enterprise situations to enhance inside the next 12 months, as compared with 31% in the preceding quarter. Overall, farmers predicted their earning to be stable for the coming 365 days. The bank pointed to spiraling prices of fertilizers, gas, freight and equipment, a few also driven by way of the warfare plus broader inflationary pressures within the Australian economic system. All were weighing on sentiment. Rabobank Australia Chief Executive Peter Knoblanche stated farmers had loved high agricultural commodity fees for more than years, but many now confronted margin stress. The cost stress is not easing and manufacturers truly need the one's higher commodity expenses with a view to meet rising input fees, he stated. Rabobank is one in every of Australia's largest agricultural lenders. The Meals Rate Index of the UN's Food and Agriculture Organization, which tracks the maximum globally traded meals commodities, averaged 157.4 factors in May, up 22.8% from a year earlier. As the following spherical of sanctions on Russia come into force, there is lots of warning among farmers approximately what this may suggest for the long run, that is flowing through to decreased degrees of optimism, Knoblanche stated. Higher input fees have reduced margins, but the survey found that farm funding would largely be maintained at current degrees. Australia, one of the global's top exporters of grains, is poised for a third year of near-record wheat production in 2022 as true climate encourages planting throughout its grain belt. Farmers in Australia, who usually begin sowing wheat in late April ahead of the southern hemisphere wintry weather, have nearly completed this 12 months' planting of the grain on approximately 45 million hectares, 35.7 million acres, an all-time high, in step with estimates from brokerage icon Commodities.